So hi everyone, I am Qayyum, and in this video we will going to see that using a combination of some commands, how to kill a particular process or the number of process using the pipes command. Okay, so here you can see on the screen that currently we are in the terminal. So now what I will do, I will start the Firefox. Okay, so as you can see on the screen that I open Firefox. So though though you can see it is a graphical user interface, so we can um, kill the Firefox using this close button. Okay, we can do it and it can be killed. Okay, but if in case you don't have a graphical user interface, and in that case you only have the terminal, okay, inside a Linux machine. So how we can close all the sessions of the Firefox using the terminal. So I have prepared a command for it. So let me show you that currently how many processes the Firefox is running in the background. So as you can see that these are the PIDs of the process. Okay, these are the PIDs. So currently the Firefox is running on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So as you can see on the screen that after executing this command ps-ef pipe, then grep Firefox. So after this command we can see that how many processes the Firefox is currently running in background. So in case we don't have any graphical user interface and we want to simply close or kill the Firefox, so in that case we will going to perform this command. So I'm going to write typing the command. Okay, ps-ef grep Firefox, then again pipe, then awk. So in this awk we will going to select only field number 2. So we will going to select this field. Okay, so this is the field number 2. So that's why we are giving $2 sign for selecting the field number 2. So in this case you can see that ps-ef will enlist all the processes running in background, and after getting the output we will send it to grep command. And what this grep command will do, the grep command will find for the pattern. So in the place of pattern we have given Firefox, so we want Firefox to be displayed on the screen similarly in this command. Okay, so output of the ps-ef we will uh, filter out Firefox process. Okay, so these are the Firefox processes running in the background. So after this output, so we will going to push this all output to the awk command. So this all output will go into awk command, and this awk command will again cut down only the field number 2. So in this way we will get we will get field number 2. So now I can show you that how it would going to work. So here you can see that after passing this command through awk command, it filter out only the PIDs out of these Firefox processes. Okay, so in this way we will this command will going to work. So again after going to execute this command, what we want, we want to kill these PIDs. Okay, we want to kill these all PIDs. So for that we will going to save these PIDs in I variable. So for this we will going to use while loop, and in this while loop we will going to use read command. So in this way this while loop will going to loop all these PIDs, and the I variable will going to store the PIDs. Okay, and now go to do. In the do section, we want to kill these commands. Okay, we want to kill this command, so we will going to give again a command which is kill hyphen 9. So this command will basically kill all the PIDs, and after passing the kill 9 command, we're going to give this kill command an input which is our I variable. So whatever PIDs was saved in this I variable is going to be given to the kill command, and in the final we will give done command. So in this way we will close the while loop also. So as you can see that currently we are having 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 6 PIDs running in the background for Firefox here. Firefox process. So now after executing this command, these all PIDs will going to be killed. So now I'm going to hit enter, and we will see that how many commands are running there. Okay, so here you can see that we will going to check that if Firefox background processes are running or not. So as you can see, we do not have any kind of Firefox process. Okay, so in this way we can use this ps-ef command. Okay, so by using this command you can kill the processes of the particular command Firefox. Okay, likewise in this way we can do with let me show you. Actually this is Thunderbird mail. Okay, so wait for it to be started, and then we will again execute the same command. Okay, as you can see that this actually okay, so this Thunderbird application has been started. Okay, what is its name? Thunderbird mail. Okay, so let me again, I am going to clear this screen. Let ps-ef, this will enlist all the processes, okay, running in background. So now we want only thunder Thunderbird. Okay, so out of these processes we want Thunderbird. Okay, okay, as you can see that we are having Thunderbird. Okay, we are having one processes only Thunderbird which is running on PID 3547. So it doesn't have many processes, so it can be easily killed out by 3547. Okay, again let me check with it. Okay, we don't have any Thunderbird running in the background, so it is not a good idea. So again, which process could be run? Again we will take the example of Firefox. So actually we only have Firefox here. So now Firefox is running in background. Okay, Firefox is running in the background. So again we will execute the same command grey Firefox. Okay, these are the processes of background these are the background processes of the Firefox. Okay, so let me again grey Firefox, again awk. We just want to print uh, only the field number 2. So as you can see that we have enlisted all the PIDs. Now again ef grey Firefox, then awk, and then in this way print again field number 2. So now again use while loop read files. Okay, then do kill. Let me while read PID. Okay, so in this way we can uh, we can understand what we are going to kill. Okay, 9, then again PID. Okay, then done. So in this way we will going to kill all the command. We have done with it. Let me check that any background process of the Firefox is running or not. So you can see that there is no process running in background using Firefox. So in this way we can do it. So we can kill any kind of command using this. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope it will be helpful for you.